Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone SE 2022 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on iPhone. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. On an Android, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then simply click on Receive. Now we need to wait for this one to download. Open it. Choose Access to all photos, allow all again and OK. Then choose Send over here and click on Select to choose all of your files. Then click Send to transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I'll go with only one. For example that one, choose Send and tap on Send at the top right corner. Now you need to click Got it and tap on Send over here. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. You need to click on Got it and scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!